Hey everyone, welcome back to FX Videos, the podcast where we break down the latest in cryptocurrency news, trends, and forecasts without the fluff. I'm your host, FX Videos channel, and today we're diving into the wild world of crypto as of January 8, 2025. Buckle up, because it's been a roller coaster week, and the next workday is looking just as intense. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on YouTube if you're watching, or follow us on your favorite podcast platform. We drop fresh episodes every week to keep you ahead of the curve in this fast-paced crypto space. Alright, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the big headline that's been dominating the crypto sphere this week. Bitcoin's surge past 150,000. Yeah, you heard that right. Bitcoin has officially broken through the 150,000. Yeah, you heard that right. Bitcoin has officially broken through the 150K barrier, and the market is buzzing. This milestone comes after weeks of steady growth, fueled by institutional adoption and a wave of new retail investors jumping in. But here's the kicker, this isn't just a Bitcoin story. The entire crypto market is feeling the ripple effects. Ethereum, Solana, and even some of the smaller altcoins are seeing significant gains. It's like the entire ecosystem is riding this wave of optimism. Now, the big question on everyone's mind, is this sustainable? Well, analysts are split. Some are calling this the start of a new bull run, while others are warning of a potential correction. Personally, I think we're in for some volatility in the short term, but the long-term outlook remains strong. What's driving this surge? A few key factors: regulatory clarity. Governments worldwide are finally starting to provide clear guidelines for crypto, which is reducing uncertainty and encouraging more players to enter the market. Institutional investment. Big names like BlackRock and Fidelity are doubling down on their crypto offerings, and that's bringing in serious money. Technological advancements. Layer 2 solutions and improved scalability are making blockchain networks faster and cheaper to use, which is driving adoption. So, what does this mean for the next workday? Keep an eye on Bitcoin's price action. If it holds above $150,000, we could see another leg up. But if it starts to wobble, expect some profit-taking and potential pullbacks across the board. Next, let's shift gears and talk about Ethereum. ETH has been on fire lately, breaking through $10,000 for the first time. This is huge, especially considering the upcoming Ethereum 3.0 upgrade that's set to roll out later this year. The upgrade promises to address some of the network's lingering issues, like gas fees and transaction speed. And let me tell you, the community is hyped. Developers are already building on the test net, and early results are promising. But here's the thing, Ethereum's success isn't just about price. It's about the ecosystem. DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized apps are thriving, and Ethereum is at the center of it all. That's why I'm bullish on ETH, not just for the next workday, but for the long haul. If you're holding ETH, keep an eye on the news around the 3.0 upgrade. Any positive developments could send the price even higher. And if you're not in yet, this might be a good time to consider adding some to your portfolio. Now, let's talk about something that's been making waves in the altcoin space, Solana. SOL has been on a tear lately, hitting new all-time highs and solidifying its position as one of the top Layer 1 blockchains. What's driving Solana's growth? Two words: speed and scalability. Solana's network can handle thousands of transactions per second, and that's attracting developers and users alike. Plus, the ecosystem is booming, with new projects launching every week. But here's the catch, Solana's rapid growth has also brought some challenges. The network has faced a few outages recently, and that's raised concerns about its reliability. If Solana can address these issues, it could continue to climb. But if not, we could see some pullback. For the next workday, keep an eye on Solana's price action and any news about network upgrades. It's a high-risk, high-reward play, so tread carefully. Alright, let's wrap things up with a quick look at regulatory news. As I mentioned earlier, governments are finally starting to get their act together when it comes to crypto regulation. This week, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, announced new guidelines for crypto exchanges and custodians. The goal is to protect investors while fostering innovation. It's a delicate balance, but so far, the market seems to be responding positively. Meanwhile, over in Europe, the markets in crypto assets, MiCA, framework is set to go into effect later this year. This will provide a unified regulatory framework for the entire EU, which is a big deal for crypto businesses operating in the region. What does this mean for the next workday? Well, regulatory clarity is generally good for the market, so expect continued optimism. But keep an eye on any new announcements, as they could impact specific coins or sectors. Alright, that's it for today's episode. To recap, Bitcoin is soaring past $150,000, but volatility is likely. Ethereum is breaking records ahead of its 3.0 upgrade. Solana is thriving, but network issues remain a concern. Regulatory clarity is improving, which is good news for the entire market. As always, do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is exciting, but it's also unpredictable. Thanks for tuning in to FX videos. If you found this episode helpful, give us a thumbs up on YouTube, leave a review on your podcast platform, and share it with your friends. Let's grow this community together. I'm FX Videos, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and keep unlocking the potential of crypto. Peace.